A busy morning. Someone juggling coffee, keys, and a phone while rushing out the door. Ever wish life had a smart button? From coffee makers that start before you wake up to trackers that ensure you never lose your keys, smart gadgets are here to simplify your everyday routine. Whether it's automating tasks, boosting security, or just adding a little extra convenience, these innovations make life smoother, smarter, and stress-free. Stay tuned to discover the must-have smart gadgets that'll upgrade your daily life. DJI Mic Mini, small in size, big on sound. Struggling with bulky mics and unreliable sound quality? The DJI Mic Mini gives you crystal clear audio and effortless portability. Anytime, anywhere. Ultra light and discreet. Weighs just 10 grams. Perfect for on-camera use. Stable transmission, 400-meter range for uninterrupted recording, even outdoors. Long battery life, up to 48 hours with charging case. Noise canceling. Choose between basic and strong modes for optimal clarity. Auto limiting prevents clipping and ensures smooth, reliable audio. Ideal for interviews, live streaming, and content creation with the DJI ecosystem for seamless use. Roku Ultra, the fastest, most powerful Roku yet. 30% faster streaming. Ultra speedy performance for instant app launches. Cinematic 4K and Dolby Vision. Stunning picture with Dolby Atmos sound. Ultimate voice remote. Rechargeable, backlit buttons, and hands-free control. No batteries needed. Stays powered for months on a single charge. Hey Roku, voice control. No more fumbling, just say it and stream. Everything you love faster and better. Lean, mean M3 machine. The MacBook Air with M3 chip is ultra fast, ultra light, and built for work and play. Blazing performance. 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU power through any task. Apple Intelligence, smart assistants with top-tier privacy. Super portable. Thin, lightweight, and perfect for on the go. All-day battery, up to 18 hours of power, stunning display, 13.6-inch liquid retina with 1 billion colors. Pro-level audio and video, 1080p, FaceTime HD, 3 mics and spatial audio. Run your favorite apps at lightning speed. Frustrated with slow, unreliable printers? Upgrade to the HP printer. Fast, smart, and easy. Trusted brand. Perfect for home printing, color documents, recipes, forms, and more. Fast performance, print 5 pages per minute in both black and color. No more waiting. Wireless and mobile printing. Print, copy, and scan straight from your phone. HP Plus features. Enjoy advanced features, security, and automatic updates. Instant ink included. 6 months of ink, up to 700 pages per month, delivered when needed. Say goodbye to printer frustration and hello to seamless, speedy printing. SanDisk, portable SSD, speed, strength, and security. Struggling with slow storage and constant data backup concerns? Experience lightning-fast speeds and peace of mind with built-in encryption. Blazing fast performance. NVMe speeds up to 1,050 megabytes per second read and 1,000 megabytes per second write. Built tough, drop-proof up to 3 meters, IP65 water, and dust-resistant. Convenient carabiner loop. Secure it to your backpack or belt for easy access. Data protection, password protection with 256-bit AES hardware encryption. Space management, easily manage files and free up space with the SanDisk Memory Zone app. One audio studio monitor headphones. Perfect sound, maximum comfort. Struggling to find headphones that deliver powerful bass and comfort for long sessions? Enjoy deep, balanced sound and all-day comfort. Perfect for mixing, DJing, or just listening. Bass-boosted sound, 50mm drivers and neodymium magnets for powerful bass and crisp highs. Ultimate comfort, soft padded ear cushions, and adjustable headband for a custom fit. Single ear monitoring, 90-degree swiveling ear cups for DJing or mixing. Wide compatibility, works with smartphones, laptops, tablets, audio interfaces, and more. Share your music. Easily share audio with a friend through the shared audio port. Master your sound and enjoy every note in comfort with the One Audio Studio Monitor headphones. Slow, unreliable Wi-Fi ruining your streaming and gaming? Experience 4.8 times faster speeds than Wi-Fi 6 with seamless, interference-free connectivity. Cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7. Ultra-fast, low-latency streaming performance. Optimized for every device. AI-powered cognitive experience enhances stability. Quick 10-minute setup, custom networks for gaming, streaming, and video calls. Advanced security, app-based cognitive security for safe browsing. Reliable mesh coverage. Deploy multiple nodes for whole home connectivity. Expert support. 42-month warranty and world-class Linksy support. Upgrade to the future of Wi-Fi today. Luxury spa experience at home. Need a stress-relieving escape without leaving home? The Salou Spa Paris UltraFit brings a full-body massage and soothing warmth right to your backyard. Smart control. Adjust temperature and settings via the Best Way Smart Hub app. AirJet Plus Massage 140 bubble jets for a relaxing 2-level massage. Durable and energy efficient. Sturdy, thermocore foam holds heat and lasts all year. Quick and easy setup. Integrated pump inflates, heats, and filters in minutes. Complete package. Includes ChemConnect chlorine dispenser and reinforced cover. Unwind anytime with your own personal spa. Relax in style and comfort. Durable steel stand. Sturdy geometric design for stability and strength. Ultimate comfort. Soft, tightly woven cotton cradles you in relaxation. Double hammock, 450 pounds capacity, perfect for 2 people. Vibrant and stylish, Brazilian-inspired colors brighten any backyard. Easy setup, no tools needed, install in just 10 minutes. Unwind anytime, anywhere, just lay back and enjoy. Struggling with complicated lawn maintenance and messy perimeter wires? Traditional mowers need perimeter wires and constant manual adjustments. Navimo's AI-assisted mapping eliminates wires and hassle. Just tap and mow. RTK plus vision precision. Navigates accurately, even under trees and in tight spots. No more perimeter wires. AI-assisted mapping creates virtual boundaries in minutes. Flawless lawn maintenance. Systematic mowing patterns for a consistently fresh lawn. Advanced obstacle avoidance. AI-powered camera detects 150-plus garden objects. Smart app control. Manage zones, schedules, and tracking right from your phone. Say goodbye to perimeter wires and hello to effortless lawn perfection. Struggling with dull, unreliable outdoor lighting? Mancra Solar Pathway Lights. Brighter, durable, and hassle-free. Cheap plastic lights fade, break, and provide weak illumination. Our patented LED filament bulbs emit a warm, ultra-bright glow with glass lamp shades for lasting clarity and beauty. Auto dusk-to-dawn sensor. Charges during the day, shines all night. IP65. Waterproof and all-weather resistant. Built with premium materials to withstand rain, snow, and heat. Easy, wire-free installation. Just stake them into the ground and enjoy. 8-pack for stunning ambiance. Perfect for pathways, gardens, and festive decor. Elevate your outdoor space with effortless, solar-powered elegance. Turn your bathroom into a personal retreat. Tired of dull, noisy bathroom fans ruining your vibe? Transform your bathroom with colorful LED lighting and a crisp Bluetooth speaker for ultimate relaxation. Ultra quiet, 110 CFM, 1.5 zones for peaceful performance. Customizable ambience. Change colors and control settings with the Chroma Comfort app. Music anytime. Enjoy your favorite tunes wirelessly via Bluetooth speaker. Easy installation. No attic access needed with Easy Duct connector. App connectivity for seamless control and an elevated bathroom experience. The ultimate adventure truck for kids. Drive, haul, and play like never before. Most ride-on toys lack realistic functions and durability. This 24-volt four-wheel drive dump truck delivers an authentic driving and hauling experience with powerful motors and realistic controls. Electric auto-lifting dump bed easily loads and unloads with joystick control. 4x 75-watt motors and 14-inch EVA tires. Conquer any terrain with smooth performance. Spacious 2-seater. Ride with a friend and stay safe with seatbelts. Parental remote control. Parents can override for extra safety. Bluetooth, USB, and AUX. Enjoy music while cruising. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, and endless fun. Experience the thrill of high-speed racing. Right at home, many toy race cars lack real speed and excitement. This HO scale 1/64 slot racing set delivers blazing fast 370 miles per hour speeds and thrilling track challenges for the ultimate racing adventure. High-speed electric slot cars. LED lights, strong magnets, and smooth performance. Realistic remote control racing. Enjoy electric or battery-powered gameplay. Easy to build track. Customizable designs and loops for added fun. Durable and safe, made from high-quality ABS plastic for long-lasting use. The perfect gift for racing fans, 8+ years old. A child struggling to stay focused while practicing golf, looking bored and frustrated. Tired of your kids losing interest in golf before they even get started? Traditional practice can feel dull, but we've got the perfect solution. Introducing the ultimate golf pong game. A fun, interactive way to develop real golf skills while keeping kids engaged. With adjustable putters, real golf balls, and a portable design, it's perfect for indoor and outdoor play. No more boring drills, just exciting competition and family fun. Let's tee up the action. Struggling with weak or inconsistent coffee? It's not you, it's your grind size, tamping, or coffee amount. But don't worry, we've got the solution. This powerful Keurig brews multiple K-cup pod sizes, has a large 48-ounce reservoir for effortless mornings, and even features auto-off for energy savings. Plus, with easy descaling, your coffee maker stays in top shape for that perfect cup every time. Just insert a pod, press a button, and enjoy rich, flavorful coffee in under a minute. Stranded with a dead car battery? Don't worry, this powerful compact car jump starter gets your vehicle back on the road in no time, with 3,000 amps cranking current to restart engines up to 7.0-liter gas or 5.5-liter diesel. Plus, with 10 intelligent safety protections, USB charging, and a 200-lumen LED light, it's the perfect emergency companion. It's lightweight, portable, and always ready when you need it, because your safety and convenience come first. Tired of tangled wires and short battery life? Our long-lasting wireless wall sconces bring elegance and convenience to any room. With a massive 6,000 milliamp hour battery, these lights last up to 72 hours on low and are perfect for creating ambiance. Installation is a breeze, no wiring needed. And with adjustable brightness, color temperature, and a built-in timer, you can easily set the perfect mood. Upgrade your space without the hassle and enjoy effortless lighting every day. Struggling with weak flashlights that don't last? The Woobin X2 Pro is here to light your way with a powerful 1,500 lumen beam and a versatile dual light system, including a side UV light. Whether you're camping, working, or handling emergencies, its compact design, magnetic tail cap, and long battery life make it the perfect tool for any task. With 6 lighting modes, a rotary dimming switch, and tough waterproof construction, the X2 Pro is built to go anywhere and handle anything. Sick of smoky indoor grilling? The Chefman Grill gives you the perfect grilled flavor with less smoke, thanks to its water tray that cools grease and prevents smoking. With an extra-large cooking surface and adjustable heat zones, you can cook multiple dishes at once. The non-stick surface makes cleaning a breeze, and safety features like cool touch handles and auto shutoff keep you worry-free. Enjoy delicious meals year-round with this worry-free, easy-to-use grill. TP-Link Archer Axe 75 tri-band Wi-Fi 6E router. Fast, reliable, everywhere. Up to 5,400 megabits per second. Ultra-fast 6 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, and 2.4 gigahertz speeds. Connect more devices, OFDMA tech for simultaneous lag-free connections. Powerful performance, 1.7 gigahertz quad-core CPU and 512 megabytes memory. Seamless coverage, one mesh support for whole home Wi-Fi. Advanced security, TP-Link Home Shield for protection. Stream, game, and browse with zero lag anywhere in your home. Save your old memories with the 1,422 megapixel digital film scanner. Instantly view and edit. 5-inch LCD screen with gallery mode for easy sharing. Fast scanning, easy load inserts for quick and simple photo scanning. One-touch editing. Resize, enhance, and adjust colors with a single button. Wide compatibility. Works with 135, 110, 126 millimeter negatives and slides. Elegant design blends into any home decor while scanning your memories. Preserve and digitize your old photos in a flash.